So okay, so this is according to our design. So let's put these background circles on this screen. So first I will export these backgrounds one by one. So this is the top left, but top right, and right center. So let's export them one by one. This is the top left background. I will name it as SignIn. Top left background, and top right. This is the center right center background. Bottom left background. And the bottom right background. Now let's copy these images from here and paste it here, and now I will collapse this all content here and use another box. And here I will cut this content from here and put it in our box, and the next part is we will show these images on the background according to our design. So first show this top left. I will show this as image, top left background, which will be null. I will name it as top left, and the next is top right, and let's build and refresh this to see the effect here. Okay, so these are the Actually these images I haven't rendered yet. If I comment this the content part, so maybe we can visualize those components in better way. Okay, so these two components are showing here, but they are not according to our actually we need to put this background color on this box. Okay, so the things are not visible with the background white color at this time. Actually it's somehow visible, but on my device on screen it's not visible. So let's for temporary basis make the background color as transparent as it is, so it will be shown perfectly these components. And let's comment this out and see the top left image first. Okay, so the top left image is showing here, and by default the alignment is on left and the top. So I will use this and modifier dot top and okay, so the circle is showing according to the design, as because our screen size is different, that's why it's not showing the space between these things. So this space will be visible on the larger screen sizes. Yeah, this space will be visible on larger screen sizes. So this is the top left and top right backgrounds, and now this one I will copy it and change the image right center and alignment to center end. And the next is the bottom left and bottom right. This is the right center, and the next is bottom left and make this alignment to bottom start and the bottom right. Which will be bottom end and bottom right. So let's build and refresh it again. Actually it's not showing here, so let's see what's the error. Render issue. only vector double rasters in PNG and JPEG. Okay, so I think something is wrong with this image here, which we have in here named as bottom right background. Let's see what is the property of the bottom right. It's a PNG file, 495 235. This is good. There is nothing wrong with this image here. All the images have extension PNG. So let's do it again. Again, rendering issue with this file only. So let's see the issue again. Maybe the resolution of, but we have other images which have more resolution here. So let's So I have tried multiple times to how to figure out this. So the issue was resolved by clicking on clean project and rebuild the project again. Then after that, this image is showing as expected. So these are the components that we have put in here according to our design: the top left and the top right. Top left and top right, and then the center right, which is the center right, this one, and yeah, this one is the center right. Actually, yeah, this one is the center right, and this one is the, actually the height of this one is different. It's actually, yeah, that's it. So the bottom left is shown here and the bottom right is shown here. So all of these components are visible according to our design. So let's uncomment the actually set the background color to white and remove the background color from this one, so this will not overlap the previous images that we have put in here. And let's uncomment this code to show the content according to the previous one. So yeah, that's it. So this is the all of these components which are showing according to our design. So this is it for today's video. So for you, I have an assignment for you, and that is you need to make this sign up screen according to this design. The Figma design file link is given already in the description below, and I recommend you to not copy and paste the code from this screen to this one. You need to make this screen from scratch. So this is how you can polish your programming skill on Compose. So this is it for today. I will share the screen code of this sign up screen in the next lecture. So this is it for today. See you next time. Bye.